If you're doing a suspension refresh or performance suspension upgrade for your 65 through 89 911, 930, or 912, you'll definitely want to replace the trailing arm bushings. Rubber bushings deteriorate with age, causing poor ride quality and handling. With the last of the original 911 series produced in 1989, all the original rubber bushings are ready for replacement based solely on age alone. Elephant Racing has a complete line of bushing replacement products, and in this video, we'll talk specifically about the trailing arm bushings. Trailing arm bushings locate the inner pivot of the rear suspension. When working properly, they enable the rear suspension to move freely and at the same time hold the alignment settings for predictable handling and control. Failing bushings provide poor control of the alignment, allowing toe to wander under cornering loads, making the car less predictable. Replacing worn bushings restores original performance. Elephant Racing trailing arm bushings are available in two different compounds, Sport and Stock hardness. Stock replicates the OEM rubber to ensure factory ride quality and performance levels. Sport bushings have a harder rubber compound for less deflection and more precise handling. For track use in high-performance road cars, you should also consider Elephant Racing spherical bearing monoball cartridges, which provide the greatest control available. Available for 1965 through 89 911, 912, and 930 applications. Stock replicates the OEM rubber to ensure factory ride quality and performance levels. Sport provides a nice intermediate step between our stock rubber trailing arm bushings and our top-performing weather-sealed monoballs. Be sure to check out our removal and installation tools that make quick work of replacing trailing arm bushings.